Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best cell phone signal boosters in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Antlant Booster, with automatic gain control. This signal booster is the first one on our list that is exclusively designed for a certain carrier. It supports devices that run through a tandem T and that use 3 and 4G service, but it has also been known to run certain versions of other carriers, too, which makes its name slightly deceptive. Like we briefly mentioned above, had we not read the specifications on the manufacturer's website, we would think that the booster was only compatible with a tandem T devices. We're here to tell you, before you huff and give up on this device because you don't use a tandem T, that the booster can run other carriers including Cricket and T-Mobile. We assume that the reason for the confusing marketing name is because the booster has been optimized for a tandem T, but is not off limits to other carriers. Number 9. GoBoost PCS Booster, compatible with all networks. This highly inclusive signal booster can support 2, 3, and 4G on most U.S carriers. It's one of the most popular choices for device owners who run on lower frequency networks and has a dedicated fan base. Off the bat, it was easy to see that this booster is made of high-grade materials. It was heavy in the hand and all of its parts were resistant to the application of gentle pressure. The cords, however, felt a bit thin compared to the bulk of the main components. Setting the booster up wasn't an issue. It uses standard mounts and comes with everything you need to place it. As per recommendations from the website, we placed the outside antenna in a relatively open space and the inside antenna in a secure location where it wouldn't be bumped or jostled. When we connected the coax cables to the antennas, we noticed that they were kind of sticky, not literally, of course, but they were tough to tighten and needed a bit of elbow grease to tighten them to a point where we weren't worried that they would become loose. Number 8. PhoneTone Booster. With inactivity mode, the PhoneTone signal booster is popular among rural communities and in office buildings that have poor coverage. It features a number of unique features and advanced technology, and its reputation is positive. The coverage provided can extend the signal up to 4,500 SQFT with a black and white design. The PhoneTone signal booster has a bit more of a unique appearance, as it isn't totally uniform. Its design is nothing special, but it does have a slightly curved tower that looks modern and sleek, standing out from the other boosters. Setup of this one was pretty simple, with the instructions being easy to read and follow. Having a decent amount of experience with installation from the other boosters, we had it up and running within no time. It took a few minutes to find the strongest signal, but once we had it, the connection was unwavering. In terms of use, the device seemed to deliver what it promised. Our smartphone was given a few extra bars and loading internet pages was much quicker. When we tested it through a phone call, our call quality was improved. The booster met our expectations, improving both voice and LTE connections. According to the booster's specs, it can support a wide variety of cell phones including Samsung and iPhone and is compatible with most American carriers. Number 7. Cellfi Go X. With dedicated app a bit on the pricier side, the Cellfi Go X booster is truly an investment. It has a simple premise and basic parts but includes a number of highly advanced technological components. Unboxing the unit, it was a pleasant surprise to see that the kit came with 2 indoor panel antennas. It also came with what seemed, from first impressions, to be a high-quality outdoor antenna and a sturdy J-mount. In addition to the main features, the kit also came with all the other necessary hardware including 2-way signal splitters, and 3 lengths of 30 feet, low-loss cable. All cords, cables, and connectors appeared to be made of durable material and the central device was packaged securely. We started by downloading the HiBoost app. The app made it easier to find the outdoor signal that is needed to finish the installation process, seeing as the booster does not create its own signal but instead only amplifies existing, very faint signals. We used the app to fine-tune the booster so that we were able to benefit from the highest gain and strongest signal that could be picked up. Number 6. HiBoost Mini, smaller alternative to HiBoost 10K. The HiBoost Mini booster is a compact, modern signal booster that has, through years of great reviews, earned a positive reputation and good name. It boasts diverse compatibility and comes with its own tailored app. Talk about handy. With Boost Your Bars as its slogan, we had high hopes for the HiBoost Mini Booster. Our hopes, although high, were not too high, as the booster did satisfy our needs and earn this relatively positive review. First opening the box, our initial response was that the booster was cute, small in size, compact, and boasting smoothed edges. With one bar outside at the time of setup and no bars inside, we were excited to give another Signal booster a try. Opening the package, the kit contained everything necessary for mounting and use: antennas, RG6 coax cable, AC power, screws, and mounting supplies. Since we are in the United States, we were able to simply plug and play with this booster, which was a major plus. Anyone outside of the United States, we learned, would need to register the device before using it. Instead of aimlessly searching for the tower, we downloaded an app to get the job done. We also decided to just try the connection with the smartphone and laptop. Number 5. SolidRF Cell Phone Booster. With LED display, the SolidRF Building Force 4G S1 is a compact cell signal booster that delivers high-performance amplification of voice, data, 3G, 4G, and LTE signals. It runs a bit on the pricey side, but as far as we can tell, users seem to appreciate what this booster does for them, with reviews averaging 4 to 5 stars. White like the AmazBoost model, there isn't a ton to say about the visual part of this device. It didn't strike us as particularly unique or appealing. In fact, it looks virtually the same as the AmazBoost we tried out before, so we had to double-check that we didn't mix up any parts. With one bar outside at the time of setup and no bars inside, we were excited to give another Signal booster a try. Opening the package, the kit contained everything necessary for mounting and use: antennas, RG6 coax cable, AC power, screws, and mounting supplies. To add a bit of background information, we set up the antennas inside and outside of our office building, which, on a good day, is lucky to receive 1 or 2 bars. Most of the time, conversations are short and sweet because somewhere throughout the conversation the service cuts out. Number 4. AmazBoost Omnidirectional Antenna. The AmazBoost Signal Booster is known by many to be one of the most affordable signal boosters on the market. It's also a favorite for those who are fans of Amazon and the original products it launches. But does it work? Starting with appearance, this signal booster is classic and unassuming. All of its parts and accessories are white and the main body of the device is rectangular in shape, so if you're looking for a uniquely shaped booster, you're out of luck with this one. However, in terms of ease of use, functionality, and durability, the AmazBoost stands up to more expensive models with no trouble at all. When setting up the device, we were pleased by how easy to instructions were to understand. The device was mounted and set up within a matter of 10 or so minutes. Number 3. SureCall Flare Signal Booster. Unique design. If we don't take the WeBoost signal boosters into consideration, then the SureCall boosters would be our most probable choice. Flare Signal Booster supports 3G, 4G LTE network on all the carriers in North America. The maximum range is around 2,500 sq-feet, which makes it ideally suitable for small homes and offices. The SureCall Signal Booster comes with manual gain adjustments so that you can switch between 4G and 3G for better data transfers. The booster also comes with LED indicators on top that are really helpful in knowing what actually going with the signals. Number 2. WeBoost Connect 4G X. Consumes less mobile battery. WeBoost is a very popular brand in the world of signal boosters. Connect 4G is one of their series of cell phone signal boosters. It is available in different variations with different signal range and overall design. Connect 4G X is ideally built for home and offices with a range of 7,500 square feet. If you want a signal booster for a smaller location, you can go for Connect 4G, which has a range of 5,000 square feet. If you are living in a rural area and got tired of trying different signal boosters, then you are absolutely going to love this. WeBoost Connect 4G works great in rural areas. In most of the rural areas, the only way to get a hold of an internet connection is to either get a satellite connection or go for a cell phone provider. Satellite connection is expensive and would require quite a maintenance. The booster comes with a range of around 7,500 square feet, which would be more than enough. However, Before installing the booster, you need to go make sure you are installing it at a point that has the strongest connection. To be sure about that, try installing it at various points in the house. Number 1. HiBoost 10K Signal Booster. Best overall signal booster. HiBoost 10K has one of the highest range you would ever see in any signal booster. It comes with a range of 10,000 SQ feet, which is enough to cover a large home or office. HiBoost 10K supports all the 3G, 4G LTE cell phone service providers across North America including Verizon. HiBoost might be a new brand in North America, but is a very popular brand in Asia, Europe and other parts of the world. It specializes in creating cell phone signal boosters for both small and large home office and also for cars, trucks, and RVs. HiBoost 10K comes with a range of 10,000 SQ feet. HiBoost has some of the other boosters in the market that come with a range of 5,000 SQ feet, 2,500 SQ feet and some even go up to 15,000 SQ fort, which is absolutely insane. HiBoost 10K also comes smart auto and manual gain adjustments function. With AGC, the signal gain is controlled automatically depending upon the strength of the input signal.